Alright, what's up guys? Nothing fancy here today. Daughter's Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited V6 2014. Needs an oil change, so I'm gonna do it. Get your filter up here behind this cover. It takes a 15/16 socket to get it off. It's right there. And drain plug. I mean, it's a drain plug, 1/2 inch. So let me get that off. Let's pop this off. That way it can breathe a little bit. Crack this open. Hey. All right. While that's draining, we'll pop this cover off here. Put it up here on top. Oh, he decided to stay. Okay. Normally it'll come out with it. Now, in case any of you readers out there, there you go. Give you some read material. Just tells you what to do if you don't know. Filter for this is the S11665. There's the new one. You get a new O-ring here. Change it out on that thing, and yeah, that's basically it. Into this little click, and then you put this back into that. All right, that's back in there. We go. And the torque spec on this is good and tight. You know, well, good and snug. That's it right there. Oh, drain plug. Torque spec on this is good and tight. Right there. 5.9 quarts of 5W20. A little bit more of a quart. Well, actually most of it. Let's get the old oil poured up so it can be recycled. Or whatever they do with it. I'll bring it to AutoZone, Walmart. All right, the reset on this is fairly simple. Press the start without holding the brake so it doesn't start up. Press the gas fully and release it 3 times within 10 seconds. Then turn it off and start it back up and see if it's reset. All right, let's give that a try. All right, let's see if it reset. Yep, there she is. All right, 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Oil change, pretty basic. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment if you want to. Y'all have a good day.